all in all, that was a great experience.
That was awesome, man.
We've just attended our first NASCAR race along our way across the United States.
Wow, I had no idea how much of a big deal this is. The guy sitting next to me was like, so what car are you going for? I'm like, no idea.
Maybe we'll do the Daytona, but we were right near there. But that was really wild. It was so cool how loud they were and fast, and a lot of energy there.
And today we're taking you for a ride.
Camp Margaritaville, honey. Think Sasquatch is real?
We'll hit the mountains.
Are you gonna keep talking like that?
Fried deviled egg.
Before we attend Red Bud.
That was freaking awesome.
Stop twiddling your thumbs.
Come along with us on this journey of a lifetime. Let's do it.
Catastrophe that happened. All right, I think we have about 100 miles to go. How much diesel did we use during the boondocking?
Not very much. I think the generator pretty much sips diesel.
How about the DEF? Do you use up the DEF when you're using the generator?
I don't think so. That's just the engine.
These are all questions that we will soon get answered.
I have no idea.
100 miles away from Gatlinburg, Tennessee. We have 2 days there. And it's looking good. It's getting a little hilly, so we're starting to figure out the engine load and when it shifts and all that good stuff. What I love most about RVing is you are in the comforts of your home. So I get to bring you along with me as I do a little bit of my morning routine.
While Jeremiah drives, I run everything else.
Just like the boat, things get a little messy and chaotic underway, especially the dishes situation. Oh yeah, lots of dishes, food drying, pregnancy craving. I am in the bathroom. I'm 6 months pregnant. I forgot to do my lotion. This is the great thing about being able to travel in your home, on the boat, and the RV. You can lotion up. I just have one hand though, so. Now the only problem is I need to dry.
We're rolling on, driving up and down these beautiful Tennessee mountains. It wasn't too long before we arrived at Margaritaville in Gatlinburg. A quick hop over a mountain stream and we were headed to our camping spot.
RVs to the right.
Daisies.
This place has great reviews. We were so excited to explore the resort and, more importantly, the mountainous area.
Camp Margaritaville, honey.
Pretty challenging over there.
You know who would love this?
John.
John. He loves Margaritaville.
The next day, we hopped in our Jeep, Vixen, and drove up into the Smoky Mountains. Do you know why they're called the Smoky Mountains?
We are on the Tennessee and the North Carolina state line. It was about a 30-minute drive from Gatlinburg. Now I know why they call it the Smoky Mountains. It's very smoky. If you go back down the other side, you'll actually be going through North Carolina.
This smoke is actually mist that forms from all the vapor given off by all the vegetation.
Think Sasquatch is real?
Maybe.
And it's stunning. This is one of the oldest mountain ranges in the world, estimated at 200 to 300 million years old. After a day of hiking, exploring, and enjoying the scenery, it was time to get dinner. So back down the mountain we go.
Y'all ready for some barbecue?
Are you gonna keep talking like that? I dare you to order it in that accent.
Yeah, I dare you.
I don't want to offend anyone.
I will give you whatever you'd like.
Okay.
Let's make a bet.
I get that anyway. Hey, is this the baby's first time?
Baby's first time having barbecue.
Brittany's not a huge fan of
No.
barbecue. We're gonna go to Pitt barbecue.
We stopped at Bennett's in Pigeon Forge. This place has been here for over 30 years.
Is that fried deviled eggs?
Never even heard of it.
I love deviled eggs. How is it?
Pretty good. So I was driving and I was like, what is it famous for, like this area? And it's kind of like southern food and then barbecue food. And then I just looked up restaurants, came here, and then we were like, wow, what do we get? And they have this cute little sampler of like deviled eggs, fried pickles, wings. I like to try like the food that's authentic to that area.
Right, so how is it?
It's pretty good. You need to try it. I wonder if these are supposed to go on it though. These
I don't know.
Yeah, don't judge me. I work hard for my body, but I'm currently eating for two. Just not very well tonight. it was yummy. Our time in Gatlinburg was coming to an end. Time to roll on. It was time for an event we've been anticipating for years, the Red Bud Motocross National. This is one of the best race weekends in the world. We're stoked.
Hey, how you doing?
We had to unhook the Jeep from the RV.
You go down here.
You think it's better?
Yeah, I'm gonna go down there. I'm gonna back in.
Jeremiah found us a spot close to the track so I wouldn't have to walk far, and he backed Naughty Sailors in. We leveled her off and got settled in. The first thing we saw are these guys, and they were awesome.
Can I get a Red Bud?
Red Bud!
Introducing the Red Bud July 4th Motocross National. It was a big weekend. Let's do a recap. Where are we?
Buchanan, Michigan.
Yeah, Buchanan, Michigan. That was freaking awesome. Loved it. First time here. There are about 12 of these grueling races throughout the summer months each year, stopping by tracks all over the U.S., but this one is special, held over the July 4th weekend. It's a party. We've been to a couple nationals, but that was awesome. The energy, the people.
Red Bud! Red Bud!
It wasn't hard to get into the mix. The race was great. One of the coolest things to see here is the Riders Jump LaRocco's Leap, an iconic 120-foot jump named after legendary former champ Mike LaRocco. I even enjoyed it as much as I've enjoyed other ones, and I'm pregnant. So that was cool. Basically, you walk through everybody's camps and their cars to get back and forth from the track to where you're staying. It was an absolute amazing time, meeting people, enjoying racing, and being with family. The weekend wrapped up with a lovely fireworks show under the dimly lit Michigan night sky.
Nice.
The following day, we did a big push all the way from Buchanan, Michigan to the Lake of the Ozarks in Missouri.
Got to the Lake of the Ozarks yesterday. It is way cooler than I thought it would be. Woke up today, rested. Red Bud seriously tore us up. It kicked our butts, but it was so worth it. That was so much fun. And then we spent the day yesterday driving, I think it was about 11 hours from Minnesota, Buchanan, Minnesota, all the way to the Lake of the Ozarks. The drive was beautiful and a little sketchy at times. We are going to go explore today, and we also need to find a hardware store to fix our catastrophe that happened yesterday.
Okay, so I might have forgotten to lock the pantry, and it just might have fallen out along our trip, dumping everything all over the motorhome.
Oh, it is off. It is broken down here.
It's not threading. I need a screw.
Poor Captain, or whatever you call the driver/mechanic on an RV.
Now this is the home for all of my food that was in there. He's, hi, Belly. Yep, got the belly.
Time for a break and for some yummy local pizza.
Are you ready?
Yes. Took the big bubble.
Big bubble. It's really neat because here they offered like cauliflower crust, vegan mozzarella. I could build my own. So that was really cool. Yours looks really good though. When we pulled in here, you said I would like some local pizza.
Oh, perfect.
What'd you think of it?
It was amazing. What'd you think?
It was awesome.
You always get the cauliflower stuff, you never like it. And you said it was good.
It was really good.
That's good.
Oh, thank you.
That's over here.
Yeah, I do have a mess. Apple, water bottles, guides. I got you.
Yeah.
The RV park we're staying at in the Ozarks is right along the lake, up a big old hill. Getting the motorhome up it was certainly interesting. The park is pretty new. fairly priced, and it's super nice. We usually spend about $40 per night, depending on the location. The next day, we were able to get a pontoon rental, which was great because we're itching to get back on the water, even if it's on the lake.
We were able to get a rental like 10 minutes from where the RV is, and he's a really nice guy. I'm surprised we got a rental because everybody else that I talked to said, you're not gonna get one, it's like busy season. So we were lucky to get a rental. We're taking it out. We have it all day long from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. See what the Ozarks is all about. You think you got this?
Yeah, we'll figure it out.
It looks a little complicated.
Does it?
No,
Oh,
being sarcastic.
yeah. No, that's good. We rented a pontoon in Virginia with the Virginia crew.
Before Reese was born.
Yeah. Actually, that was the weekend everybody got pregnant.
That's the weekend I got pregnant with you. The last time I was on a pontoon boat.
We're on a 2-stroke, 110 horsepower engine. It says he said keep between 22 and 24 knots. Fast for us.
Yeah, and then if you go over 24,
Yeah, the fuel consumption is bad.
pretty neat, right?
Yeah.
I wanted to see the Ozarks from this point of view.
Yeah, we're gonna go check the lake out.
I think it was about $400 for the day. A little pricey, but how else are you gonna see the lake, right? Did you bring the drone?
Yeah.
Okay, we're set.
Coming up on season 12,
I like how you can hop around.
Nice looking vessel you have there. Let's see if we get some tacos.
we're exploring the Lake of the Ozarks.
Smells spicy.
First time.
Yeah.
A European style castle.
What do you think's down here? Check those stairs out.
You'll see all this destination has to offer before we start our push west through the United States.
Hey, what'd you think of that buffalo?
It was really cool. I'm surprised they charged at us.
Want more? Check us out at lazygeckos.net. Remember, patrons can get complimentary access. You can also visit our Vimeo channel. The link is below. Don't forget to click subscribe to get all of the fun. See you next week.